So once you will purchase the theme, you will get a file. Okay, you will get a zip file. Now to install that, you have to go to Appearance, Themes, click Add New, Upload Theme. So here is the folder that I got. I have extracted the folder, and now here you can see all of its file. And now we have to click on this file. We have to upload this. Install now. So this will take some time. So let's fast forward this video. So the theme is now installed. We can click on Activate. So here you can see we have the theme installed now. So if we go back to the website, you will see some changes in the website. So now go back to the website, and now we can go to plugins, and let's delete all of the plugins that you have currently installed because we don't need them. Let's clean up the website. Okay, so now go to Appearance and go to Install Plugins. Mark all of them. Click on Install, Apply. So all of the plugins are installed. Go to Plugins Installer again. Now mark again all of them and click on Activate. So the plugins are activated. Return to the dashboard. So just close this setup. And here you can see loads of new options that just arrived in our dashboard. So now go back to plugins. And here you can see all of the plugins are now installed. So now let's go back to website and refresh. Okay, so now you can again see some of the changes in your website. Now go back to website, and now we have to go to tools and available tools. Sorry, we have to go to import, and here you can see some new options, and here we can click on install now on WordPress because we want to import the content. Run importer, and now we have to upload a file here, choose file, and now in the theme zip file that you downloaded from Theme Forest, you have to go to demo data and Content XML. You have to upload this file here. Open, update. Tick mark this, submit. So here you can see we have got a request timeout error. So if this error comes up in your website, go back to your WordPress and click on updates and reinstall version of the WordPress again. So the WordPress is again installed. Just go back to your website. So just go back to tools and import, run importer and upload the file again. So if just that error comes up on your website, just update your WordPress and upload the file again. And now it should upload. Scroll down, tick mark again, submit. So here now you can see the demo content is uploaded. Once the import is done, now you have to go to your theme option. Scroll down, click on import export, upload file. Here under demo data, you have to upload this file, theme options, and click on import. So this file is imported as well. Now we have to install a new plugin. So that's the plugin, this one. So install this plugin, activate, and now we have to upload the widgets. Go to tools, widget importer. Now click on this copy and paste and go back to the folder, copy the content, paste the content, import widget. So this is imported as well. So now all the pages are imported, and you can see all the import pages are imported now. So now we have to go to settings, general, and here we can change your website name. Save changes. And now go to writing or reading, and here select a static page. You can select any of these home page, the one you like. So let's select the first one, and then here select the blog page and save changes. Now go to your website, and here you can see the website is almost created. So we just have to create the menu and add it over here. So for that we have to go back to website, and then we have to go to appearance, menus, so here we have to create a menu. Here we can add all the important pages that we want to show in the menu. Click on view all, home, blog, about, contact us. So here's the info package page. Save changes. First of all, we have to add to menu, and then we can click on save changes. We can remove this one from the name. Save changes. So you can see the website is now completed. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section.